Cobra 01, shifting to new tasking to the east side of our airspace. No longer tracking a white vehicle. Try 320. Going to 20. Cobra 01, weapon away, 32 seconds. On simulated splash. Cobra 01, A-firm, good effects. Venom, Cobra 01, with you on Venom 3. Cobra Venom, just got past you via Merc for a possible strike in this location, looking for target. Cobra 01 copies. Cobra ready. Cobra 01 copies, target weapon cache, Victor November 079848, shifting eyes. Cobra 01 copies, grid falls by a north-south running road. On the eastern side, have a square-shaped building. Looks to be on the north side of the compound. We're looking. Venom, Cobra 01, eyes on last pass grids. On the east side of the road, we're seeing two large parking lots, possibly auto dealership, multiple vehicles on the eastern side. Have one square-shaped building just to the east, multiple other compounds and parking lots directly to the north. Venom, Cobra, eyes on those grids, see the parking lot to the south, just to the north. I have four larger buildings, one L-shaped to the west, two directly to the north. I have one longer rectangular building and one more square-shaped on the northeast side of that compound. Venom, Cobra, copies, square-shaped building as our target. Have one white SUV to the southeast. Venom, Cobra, look at this building, recommend one by GBU-12 strike, center mass of the building, confirm any restrictions or TOT. Cobra 01. Venom, Cobra, in 276. Cobra. Copy, bank and alert. Cobra 01, weapon away, 32 seconds. Venom, Cobra 01, splash, stand by BDA. Venom, Cobra 01, clear speed, good effects. Venom, Cobra 01, Cobra Tactical, puts over you through Merc. We are contact one white SUV and one red SUV parked adjacent to the parking lot. Four adult males in the vicinity interacting with the two vehicles. Cobra 01, copies all. We'll check other vehicle fit to parts. Priority will be a white SUV. Venom, Cobra 01, white SUV departing westbound. Assess plant 200, central track. Cobra 01. Now tracking south back in the original direction. Did not see any attacks or other activity at his intermediate stop. Venom, Cobra 01, vehicle pulled off to the side of the road, small parking lot to do a U-turn. Did come to a complete stop and did not see anybody enter or exit, but stand by grids. Cobra 01 copies, that is correct, and no tax activity at his intermediate stop. We are enough to understand we'll be recommending one by AGM 114 contact fusing. Venom, Cobra, confirm intent is to strike the PAX internal to the vehicle, and if so, do we have a priority between the two? Cobra 01, copy, center mass of the crew compartment. Venom, Cobra 01, have an intermittent obscuration due to some low-level clouds, attempting to reacquire. Venom, Cobra 01, reacquired, see a white SUV with a sunroof, still dynamic, southbound. Cobra 01, copies all. I'll keep scanning. Venom, Cobra 01, lost custody of a white SUV due to cloud obscuration. Attempted to reacquire, but with the clouds in the northwest side of this area, it's going to be difficult to confirm. Venom, Cobra copies, SIGINT hits the stop of Victor November 086822, shifting eyes. Cobra 01 copies. Just look at some level of clouds trying to shift to the south. See if we can look underneath the cloud layer. Venom Cobra 01, eyes on last pass grids, have one white SUV south side of those grids, looks to be a possible west side of a large horizontal road. Cobra 01, negative, no pass activity around that vehicle, searching in the mini vicinity to see if we see anybody else matching that description. Venom Cobra 01, still getting temporary obscured, have one other SUV matching to the description north side of Cobra 01, affirm. Right, the passenger side door open, one adult male now walking to driver's side. Cobra 01, copies all. Obscured again, see those clouds trying to shift over to the southeast. Cobra 01 copies, still getting a lot of cloud obscuration over the target, attempting to reacquire. Venom Cobra 01, still getting heavier obscuration overhead of the target, lost custody of a white SUV, attempting to reacquire, but hasn't seen it